Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a question that's sparked countless online debates and confused Venmo newbies. Can you actually load Venmo with cash? I know. It seems like a simple question, but trust me, it's a common one. Venmo thrives in a digital age, but sometimes real-life situations call for real-life solutions. Maybe you received a Venmo request from a friend who needs to pay you back for that concert ticket, but they're short on cash. Or perhaps you're at a yard sale and the seller only accepts Venmo. In these situations, the ability to magically convert your physical cash into spendable Venmo credit would be a lifesaver. So, let's cut through the confusion and definitively answer the question, can you load Venmo with cash? Buckle up, because we're about to dive into the world of digital wallets and explore the nitty-gritty of adding funds to your Venmo account. Breaking down Venmo, a digital wallet. Before we delve into the cash question, let's take a quick step back and understand what Venmo actually is. In essence, Venmo is a digital wallet, a mobile payment service that allows you to send and receive money from friends, family, or even businesses. It's a convenient way to ditch the cash and checks, opting for a quicker and more seamless way to manage your finances. Here's the key thing to remember about Venmo: it functions primarily in the digital realm. Your Venmo account is linked to your bank account or debit card, which serves as the source of your funds. So, whenever you send money through Venmo, the amount gets deducted from your linked bank account or debit card and gets deposited into the recipient's Venmo account. Cash? Not exactly on Venmo's menu. Now, back to our burning question. With Venmo being a digital platform, you might have guessed it already, but unfortunately, you cannot directly load Venmo with physical cash. There's no option within the app to insert your bills and magically see your Venmo balance grow. Think of it like this: Venmo doesn't have a physical location where you can walk in and deposit cash. It operates solely in the digital world, relying on pre-linked funding sources like your bank account or debit card. Alternatives to consider: workarounds for cash needs. So, what are your options if you have cash but need to add funds to your Venmo account? Don't worry, there are a couple of workarounds you can consider. Transfer from your bank account. This is probably the most straightforward approach. If you have a linked bank account to your Venmo profile, you can initiate a transfer from your bank account to your Venmo balance. Most banks allow for online transfers, so you can conveniently move money from your savings or checking account to your Venmo wallet. Use a debit card with cash back. Here's a slightly more strategic approach. If you have a debit card that offers cashback rewards, you can use that card to make purchases at stores or withdraw cash from ATMs if your card allows it. Then, use the same debit card to add funds to your Venmo account. This way, you're essentially converting your cash into Venmo credit, while also potentially earning some rewards points on your purchases. Get help from a friend. With caution, this option requires a trustworthy friend who uses Venmo. You can give them the cash, and they can use their Venmo account to send you the equivalent amount. However, proceed with caution here. Only involve friends you absolutely trust, and be sure to settle the debt promptly to avoid any misunderstandings. The future of cash and Venmo. The financial technology industry is constantly evolving, and who knows what the future holds for cash and digital wallets like Venmo. Maybe one day, we'll see integrations with physical cash deposit options. But for now, Venmo remains a digital platform that relies on pre-linked funding sources. Conclusion. So, there you have it. While you can't directly load Venmo with cash, there are alternative methods to get those funds into your digital wallet. Remember, utilizing your linked bank account or debit card are the most secure and convenient options. If you have any further questions about Venmo or managing your digital finances, leave a comment.